Good morning kids and welcome back to math class. Today we will just once I will explain this and we will start the revision. So kids, today we know we have solved this in our previous class. Form as many 4-digit numbers as possible using digits 4091. Now look at this table here. In one table only the thousand place is same and other all places are changed just, and same here and same here. So now you can use this method and you can form. Keep one as in thousand place same first and then go on changing the hundred, tens and ones place. You can form as many as 4-digit numbers. So now look at here. Here are some rules. Use the digits 2, 3, 4 and 5 to form the 4-digit numbers. You can repeat the digits. Some rules are: take each digit 4 times. Okay, now here 2. If you take 4 times, it will be 4-digit number. If you take 3, 4 times, 4-digit number 3. But in the same way now you can use your own rules and you can form the 4-digit numbers. Look at it here. 2, 3. Yes, now here same. Take each digit twice. First 2 digits say twice. Repeat. Okay, but the different numbers different times. Use the digits 1, 3, 8 and 6 to form any 15 4-digit numbers. You can repeat the digit comparing your number with your partners. Now you have to do your own. Okay, now if you can repeat 3, 3, 8, 8 also, or 6, 6, 1, 1. So no, if you can use any number anywhere and you can form the 4-digit number. Here are some numbers I have formed here. And form 4-digit numbers using the given condition. Here are some conditions that you can use and form the number. Write the greatest 4-digit number using the digit 1, 2 and 5. Repeat only one digit. Now here I will tell you to form greatest number. To form the greatest number, the thousand place should be bigger number. Whenever you are forming the greatest number, the thousand place should be a greatest number. In this given number, which is the greatest number, biggest number? 5. So write 5 in thousand place. Now 2 and 1. Okay, you can take in both these number, which is the bigger one, that number you take in 100 place. Okay, and same in tens place. Now they have told to repeat one digit, only one digit repeat, only one digit. You can repeat 1. Okay, now 5211 is the greatest 4-digit number from this given number. By using this number, write the smallest 4-digit number using 1, 2, 5. Repeat only one digit. Now same here is also question. But when you are forming the smallest digit, first you write always small one. Okay, 1. And next also use small number. Second 100 place also small number. You can repeat the 1. Now 2, little bigger, 5. Isn't it? Now same. It is a 4-digit number. The sum of all digits is 8. Okay, you can now sum of all digits is 8. 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Answer is 8. Sum means the answer you get after adding. 8. So here 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, and now here second one. It is a 4-digit number. The sum of all its digit is 8. Sum of all its digit, the sum of the number is 8. None of the digit are repeated, but the number will not repeat. So the number will not repeat. Whatever you will take the number, that should be make a sum of 8. Okay, now I will take 1, 0, 3, 4. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, so 1334, sorry 1034. It is the 4 digit number. The digit is only, place is 3. The digit in ones place is 3. Ones place should be 3. The digit in tens place is 5. The other two digits are 0 and 7. Now here look at this: 1000, 100, tens, ones. Ones place what is there? 3. In tens place 5. And other two digits are what? 0 and 7. You can write 0 and 7, yes or no? No. Why? If you write 0 as in 1000 place, you will get only 3 digit number. So what you should write? 7053. Answer is 7053. Is it clear, kids? So now just once we will go for a revision. Review. Write these numbers in standard form. Standard form, these are given in the words. These are written in words. 3101. 3101. Tens place is not given. So what you have to write? 0 in tens place. 6012. 100 place is not given. 6012. 8014. 8000. 100 place is not given. 0. 14. 4563. All places are given here. 4536. Okay. Now write the place value of digit 7 in each of the given number. Place value. Place value. Place value and face value I have completed in previous class. So now the question is to write the place value of 7 in each of the following given number. 7, which place it is? It is in tens place. So 7 into 10, answer is 70. 7 is in tens place, so multiply by 10. So 7 times 10 makes 70. Now here same it is here. 7 is in which place? 1000 place. So 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000. 7 is in ones place, so multiply 7 by 1. 7 times 1 makes 7. Here 7 is in which place? 100 place. So 7 multiplied by 100 and the value is 700. Okay kids, that which place the number is there, that you need to find first, and then that place value 10, 100, 1000, whatever the value of that place is, that value you have to multiply by that number. So you will get place value. Now write these numbers in expanded notion. Okay, 3003. 3000 plus in 100 place 0, in tens place 0, plus what it is? Now 3. How to write? 3000 plus 3. This is the expanded form of this. 4000 plus 8 is in 100 place, 800 plus 3 is in tens place, 30 plus 2 is in 1 place, 2. Okay. Now same this. 7915. 7000 plus 9 is in 100 place, 900 plus 1 is in tens place, 10 plus 5. Okay. Now this 6000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 8. So kids, we have solved this expanded notion and place value numbers in standard form. Standard form means standardly. If you look at this, you have to understand. Expanded form means by seeing this answer we can get explained. Okay, we will get explained. 4000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 2, answer will be 4832. Today what we have learnt? Standard form, place value and expanded notion. These 3 topics we have made the revision of 3 topics: standard form, place value. Place value, you know the number where it is and what's its place value, in which place the number is and what is the place value of that number. And here expanded notion, expanded form. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So kids, we will discuss in our next class. So I will end my class today. We will meet in our next class. Till that, have a nice day and take care.